Today we're looking at how to plant hydrangeas. They're a wonderful plant. They come in a range of species and there's lots and lots of cultivars, lots of different flower colours and lots of different sizes. The one that we're planting today is Hydrangea quercifolia Alice. However, all hydrangeas are planted the same way. The first thing you need to do is choose the right position, and that's usually going to be in semi-shade. Some hydrangeas will take more sun than others, however, nearly all of them do prefer sun protection from the heat of the afternoon sun. You need to dig a hole and prepare the soil, and the hole that you need to dig needs to be the same depth as the plant is in the pot, and it needs to be twice as wide as the pot itself. By making it twice as wide, you're loosening the soil around the plant, which allows the roots to grow into it more easily. Once you've dug the hole, sit the pot in the hole and make sure it's at the right level. You want the hydrangea itself to sit at the same depth in the ground as it was in the pot. You don't want it sitting too deep and you don't want it sitting too high. So if you need to, adjust the depth of the hole so that it sits nicely. Once you've got the hole the right size, remove the hydrangea from the pot and check out the root system. You'll see that this hydrangea has a good root system, and all we need to do is to loosen it up a little bit, which is going to encourage the roots to grow more readily into that loose soil that we're going to place around the plant. Once you've removed the hydrangea from the pot and placed it in the hole, you simply need to backfill around it. Once you've backfilled, there are two more things to do. The first is to water the plant in with a liquid seaweed fertiliser. Once you've done that, mulch around the plant, and this is going to provide it with a cool, moist root run. Hydrangeas can be fertilised in spring and again in early autumn. They will need watering through the first few summers, and if you get extremely hot weather, then they'll need a little bit of water then as well. That's about it for planting hydrangeas. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. For regular updates on all aspects of gardening, visit the website for more information, and as always, good luck with your gardening.